Welcome to OneCloud CX's Reporting Fundamentals series. Today we will be going over the second part of a third-part series, running and scheduling reports. Today I'll show you how to run and schedule reports in the OneCloud system. First, ensure you're logged into the administration side of OneCloud. Click the Reports tab, then open the Reports drop-down menu on the left side and select All. To run a report, select the desired report, such as the call detail report. Choose a time frame and click Run Report. The report will open in a new tab, and you can export it as a PDF, XLS, CSV, or TXT. Note that reports have a 50,000 row or 200-page limit, so if you encounter an error, try adjusting the time frame or filters. For large reports, use the Call Detail CSV report, which downloads as a zipped file instead of opening in a new tab. To schedule a report, click Schedule this report for distribution. In the scheduling window, set your parameters frequency, specific time, ATC, and choose the delivery method email, FTP, or SFTP. You can select the format as PDF, Excel, CSV, or text. And that's it. Now you know how to run and schedule reports in OneCloud. Thanks for watching. For more information and trainings on our product, visit us at support.onecloud.com and we'll see you in the next part of the series, Interaction Records.